So perpendicular lines are a little bit tricky. The first thing we know that's true is that the definition, they have to intersect at a 90-degree angle. So maybe something like this or like this. Now, the second thing is the slopes have to be negative reciprocals of each other. So if the slope of one line is 2/3, the slope of the other line must be 3/2, and one of these has to be negative. Okay, that's going to create this situation right here where one of them is going left to right uphill and the other one is going left to right downhill. If they're both the same direction, like positive, positive, those can't be a right angle. Or if they're both negative, negative, okay, one has to be positive, one has to be negative. So then some other examples would be like 1/4, 4/1, and then one of these just has to be negative. You could have 1/1 and -1/1. Those would be reciprocals. So, and then notice what happens when we multiply all of these together. Okay, we would get products of -1. That's why this third thing has to be true. 1 times -4 is -4. 4 times 1 is 4, so this would equal -1. Of course, 1 times -1 is -1. And in this case, we'd get, could also like cross cancel 3 and 3 and then 2 and 2. And all you're left with is a -1. So those are the three things that are always true for perpendicular lines.